Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon ranch Parmesan green beans, and I'll be using my June oven. Have you subscribed yet? Go ahead and click that button. You know you want to. Okay, first we're going to start off by cooking some bacon. Now I am just using the pan and the rack that came with my June oven. If you don't have a June oven, just use any baking sheet and put a rack on top. And in a regular oven, you're going to cook your bacon at 425 for 15 to 20 minutes. Now with the June, once I put it in here, not only is it going to recognize that I am cooking bacon, but it's going to count how many slices of bacon that I have on the pan using its internal camera. And then all I have to do is decide if I'm cooking with thick bacon, if I want it chewy or crispy. I want it crispy, and then I just hit cook and I'm good to go. How cool is that? So anyways, this is what the bacon looked like when it was all done cooking. So I'm using a paper towel to remove some excess grease from the bacon, and I'm going to set that to the side. Now let's get started on these green beans. So I've washed and trimmed the ends of some green beans, and I'm going to use that delicious bacon grease to coat the green beans. And then I'm going to season them up with some kosher salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of some crushed red pepper flakes. And now I'm going to add some ranch seasoning, and then finally some freshly grated Parmesan. So good. So now I'm just going to transfer the green beans to the baking pan that I used to cook the bacon. And if you are using a traditional oven, go ahead and bake your green beans at 425 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how you want your green beans cooked. But with the June oven, it's going to recognize that I am cooking green beans, and it's just going to do its own thing. And I'm actually going to use the green bean setting twice because I like a lot of color on my green beans. So this is round one, and here's what they're looking like. Now they're good to go right now, but I want a little bit more color. So I'm tossing them around a little bit, just, stirring them up. And then I'm going to put them back in the oven and hit the green bean setting again. And so the second time they come out, now they're good to go. Got nice little char on them, just perfection. Now, the only thing left to do is add that delicious crispy bacon that we cooked earlier and a little bit more Parmesan cheese on top. And oh my gosh, these were bomb. So bomb, my kids ate their vegetables first. I ain't lying, they tore those green beans up. So what do you think? Are you going to give this recipe a try? Did you like it? Well, if you did, please give me a thumbs up so other people can find my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know the next time that I upload, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.